Everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have x to the power of 3036 plus x to the power of 2024 equals to 36, and we will solve this problem for the values of x. So the very first thing we are going to do is, here first we will rewrite the exponent of the left hand side. Are here you have x, and we can write 3036 as 3 times of 1012, and similarly we will write the exponent of this x, which is 2024, as x to the power of 2 times of 1012, and this whole equation equals to 36. And in the next step we will use here the nice exponential law, and we can write this expression as x and its whole power 1012 and its whole cubed, and plus we will write this term as x to the power of 1012 and its whole squared, and this whole term equals to 36. And in the next step we will just convert this nice exponential equation into the cubic form, so that here we will just take y equals to x to the power of 1012. So when you take x equals 1012, then the above equation will becomes in the form of y cubed plus y squared, and this whole equation equals to 36. So here you see that the exponential equation will becomes in the cubic form, and now we will make the factors of this cubic equation. So that in order to make the factors of this equation, we move this 36 in the left hand side, and we write it as y cubed plus y squared minus 36 equals to 0. And in the next step we will again write this minus 36 as you will write y cubed plus y squared, and we write this 36 as minus 27 minus 9, and this whole equation equals to 0. So here you see that when you add minus 27 and minus 9, then you will get here minus 36. So in the next step we will arrange the cubic terms and the squared term. So here you have the first cubic term is y cubed, and we have 27, and we will write this 27 as 3 cubed, and similarly we have this y square, and we write this 9 as 3 square, and this whole equation equals to 0. So in order to move forward we need two formulas. The one is cubic and the other is square. So you know about these formulas. If we have a cubed minus b cubed, it is equals to a minus b times of a squared plus ab plus b squared. So this is the cubic formula, and the other one is squared, and which is a squared minus b squared. It is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So here we need these two formulas on the bottom. So now first we will use cubic formula on here, and you will write this expression as y minus 3 times of y squared plus 3y plus 3 squared, and plus we will use the square formula here, and you will write this expression as y minus 3 times of y plus 3, and this whole equation equals to 0. So here you see that we have y minus 3 will be present on both of the terms. So here we need to take common y minus 3, and after taking y minus 3 common, we will get its output in the form of y squared plus 3y plus the square of 3 will becomes 9, and here we take common y minus 3 and we will get here y plus 3, and this whole equation equals to 0. So now we will make little bit simplifications here, and we get y minus 3 times of y squared plus 3y, and y will becomes 4y, and 9 plus 3 will becomes 12, and this whole equation equals to 0. So here we have two cases. The first case is we take y minus 3 equals to 0, and the other case is we take y squared plus 4y plus 12 equals to 0. So in the first case you will easily get the value of y is 3, and now in order to find the value of y you will just simplify here. So now here you see that we need only real roots here. So now first I will check this quadratic equation has real roots or not. So for this we will use here the discriminant formula in order to check the roots of this equation. So that here we have a equals 1, b equals 4, and c equals to 12. And now our discriminant formula, which is known as or denoted as delta, equals to b squared minus 4 times of ac. So now we check the behavior of this delta by putting the values of a, b and c here, and you see that we have delta equals to b square, and b is 4 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 12. So it is equals to the square of 4 is 16 minus 4 times of 12 will becomes 48, and here you see that it will becomes minus 32. So here you see that it is less than 0, and we know that if delta is less than 0 then it means that this quadratic equation has no real root. So if it has no real root, then we will just reject it this case, because we will proceed this question on the real roots. So now we can proceed this root only, and here you have y equals to 3, and now we will back substitute the value of y. And you see that the value of y in the start of the problem is x to the power of 1012, so it is equals to 3. And now in order to find the value of x, we need to take the 1012th root on both of the sides. So you will get here 1 x to the power of 1012 and its whole power 1012 equals to 3 to the power of 1 over 1012. So in the left hand side you will see here these two are gone, and we get final x equals to 3 and its whole power 1 over 1012. So this is the our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.